Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to replace timing chain on F350 heavy duty. First of all, drain oil and coolant and remove the battery both terminals, and then I will show you what to do next. Please watch this video until end. You will learn something special today. Thank you. And then guys, remove the fan, belt, and whatever in front of you, hoses and connections. And now I'm going to remove both side valve covers, so right and left side valve cover, and then I will show you guys after that what to do. Then guys, open the both valve cover gasket each side, and now going to open timing chain cover. So I am opening the all bolts, tensioner, and whatever in front of me. I remove all the bolts guys, then use a pry bar and pop out the timing chain cover slowly like this. Here you go, it's coming out. The timing cover is out now. Now I gonna open the timing chain. Before you open it, make sure this is the mark, right mark up, and the left mark also up here, and on the main pulley there's a mark under, so that mark is down. So all three marks are perfectly. So I'm going to open the timing chain now. Guys, I just put the timing back and adjust the timing. After timing set, then you release the tensioners. Guys, before I put back the timing chain cover, I show you how to do the timing quick. See here, two marks on the top, and here two marks with the chain black color. It goes, the R goes under in between, and here the L goes left side between. And then on the bottom side, I will show you guys, you will see the mirror. So you will not see the mirror. So under there is a one mark as well. So that mark, the chain mark, balance with the there is a dot with the crankshaft, under the crankshaft pulley. So one mark is there and two marks are on the top. So these marks should be equal both side and under, three marks. Before you put the guards, all guards, so there's a four guards, two left side and two right side. Put the guards and do the timing, and then release the guard tensioner both side. There's a two tensioner, release them, and it's gonna be tight. So now I'm going to put back the cover and gasket, everything together. Finally, it's running nicely. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you guys first year apprentice, it is a little bit hard to understand, but however, when you become a mechanic, when you learn something more, then you will understand what I did it guys.